Is your TikTok showing an age restriction error on your iPhone? You can fix it quickly. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the age restriction in TikTok on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Open up the Safari browser. Type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug / Feature Request. After that, tap on the Category drop-down menu. Select Feature Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, I got an age restriction and I can't change my birth date. I have everything valid. Please help me to solve this problem. Then attach your birthday proof here. Then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. In this way, you can remove the age restriction in TikTok on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.